Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day. Day 2 of freediving. So we're just heading up to get a little bit of breakfast here in Charlie's hotel. Get a little bit of brekkie and then we'll make our way down to the dive center. Charlie's hotel's great. It's a little bit pricey. It's $165 a night. A beautiful, you know, resort on a tropical island. Little ATM withdrawal. So here on the islands in the Philippines, the maximum you can withdraw is 10,000 pesos. So I might have to do 2 withdrawals because it's 14,000 for the free diver course. Just bear that in mind. 10,000 limit, and you have to pay 250 pesos per transaction. For all my travel card needs, I use TransferWise. You can top it up and you actually send it to a Filipino bank that you have set up within your Wise account, and then you withdraw pesos from your Filipino bank. Super handy. You can transfer instantly from your provider. Best exchange rates as well. Low fees, best rates. Yeah, obviously you still have to pay the 250 pesos in the ATMs while you're traveling, but that's fine. You still get, you know, it's probably the cheapest way to organize your finances while traveling. It's super handy. Just don't lose the card. Day 2 of the freediving course with Submariner in El Nido. So we're just heading out to the dive site. Today we're going to a different dive site. We're going down 20 meters. And it's a dive site. It's got a seawall, and John was basically telling me that it's his favorite dive site here in El Nido. Beautiful morning, a beautiful day to free dive, and we've got some other people on the boat today. But yeah, check this out. Beautiful landscape. Let me just show you the front of the boat. Amazing views. This is Michelle. Me and Michelle are diving together today. The other guys didn't join us on the door, so it's just us 2. Yeah, we're free diving together. Hey Matt, how's it going? Cruising in here? Yeah. Cruising? Cool. Alright, that's us done. Part 1 of day 2 of the freediving. So we did some dives, we did some underwater rescue as well. So you'll see that in the footage, that we were like diving down, rescuing each other, and just some general safety in the water. So that's good. You learn some new skills, how to sort of bring people up from the water. This place is paradise. You know, if you come to El Nido and you want to do some diving, you want to do some freediving, check out this company, Submariner. John's the instructor. He's a brilliant free diver and amazing teacher, and the rest of the guys seem incredible, the actual scuba divers. So yeah, check it out and you won't regret it. It's amazing. So yeah, we're off to the next island now. All the divers are in, and we'll set off. That's incredible in the rain. Oh my god. Wow. We just completed the free dive course. Successful. 2 days free diving course completed. Alright, let's go.